Next point is the idea of detente. Means detente means to say the friendly relation, or the idea means the detente meaning is to improve the relations. In 1970, both the superpowers has realized that this Cold War is just the wastage of the time. Nobody is going to get anything from this war. So as a result of which, both the superpowers has decided to relax the tension within the international environment which was created by them. So they decided, they used the word detente for this. So under this was under this beta, and around 1970 they have taken this idea, and they said that the rise of China and France, there were some factors, okay, between the Soviet Union and America, through which why they have decided to get relaxed. The factors were the possibility of the serious consequences of the Cuban Missile Crisis. If they do not stop themselves, okay, if the Soviet will not stop, then America will definitely attack the Soviet. If America will attack the Soviet, then America will in return attack the Soviet. So this will lead to the destruction of the whole universe, and this will create the tension on the international level. Let us talk about the next time period, that is the time period from 1970 to 1979. This period is called as the decline period of the Cold War. So let us see the description of this period. So first one was the Moscow-Bonn Agreement. It has been signed on the 12th August 1970 between the Prime Minister of the Soviet and the German Chancellor. They have signed the Moscow-Bonn Agreement. Under this agreement, they said that both the leader has agreed that they will not attack each other, and even a single power will not force other to attack. Next is the North-South Korea Agreement. It has been signed in 1972 on the 4th July. On 4th July 1972, this agreement was signed between North Korea and the South Korea, as a result of which both had agreed to improve their mutual relations. Next was the East-West Germany Agreement. It has been signed on the 8th November 1972. East Germany and the West Germany has signed this agreement to improve their relations. Next, the America has improved its relations with China. In 1971, the China has become the member of the UN because America has accepted China as the communist country. Okay, China said we will remain communist. We can't be the democratic, or we can't be that capitalistic country. Okay, we can't be the capitalistic country, we will remain communist. So America accepted China as it is. So next is 10-band treaty, nuclear non-proliferation treaty, the anti-ballistic missile treaty. These all were the treaties which has been signed during this period from the 1970 to 1979. Test ban treaty means they will not test their nuclear weapons or the other weapons. Anti-ballistic missile treaty or nuclear non-proliferation treaties were also like this. Next is the period 1979 to 1987. It was the period of the new Cold War. We have seen before, beta, they have signed the number of treaties or the number of the agreements has been signed between them. So they should the decline of the Cold War we have read. But after this, the 1979, again the Cold War has been changed into the little hotness, because in spite of all the positive development of the detente in the previous phase, it was not continued up to the certain level. So once again bitterness has raised in both of them, just due to the presence of the Soviet army in the Cuba. Okay, Soviet army was present in the Cuba, and the quantity of expenditure which was being done by the Soviet army, that was on the armed forces. Okay, they were sending their army in the American administration. The American administration got into the tension that the definitely now Soviet Union is going to attack the America. So Soviet Union was also quite disturbed because of the worldwide human right movement which was started by the American president Jimmy Carter. Okay, Jimmy Carter has started the human right movement, so which the Soviet Union don't want. So under this period, a new Cold War has been started between America and the US. Our last phase is the end of the Cold War.